and I've just arrived to see what the builder's doing. Obviously they're putting the wood down to start looking at the floor or something, I think, I'm not sure. As you can see, this is all gone. So yeah, not much change since yesterday down here. I think they've been doing some more works upstairs. But I did speak to them, and what they were saying was, as soon as they started messing about with this massive, great big chimney breast that we've took down, and which by the way they said was a lot of work to take down, so a bit sad, but obviously it opens up the room a bit more. That might be an oil pipe, I think, that might lead, and as soon as they took this down, started messing about with this, they said that that's when the heaters came on, so it might be oil powered. So yeah, and as I said, with the floor, it is slightly bowing in the middle, so they're looking to repair that, so I'll keep you informed of how that goes. But yeah, let's take a look upstairs. And in here, concrete lintels on the floor. I think what they're doing is preparing to obviously put that in, because this whole wall is going. I'll just show you that as well, guys. I don't know if you can see that, but it actually kind of almost chamfers and bows in the middle. So it kind of almost goes and dips, and then when you go through into the front room, obviously through here, I'll just walk over. I'm trying to make this so the shot is steady for you. But yeah, kind of at this point, kind of bows up, and then it's kind of almost ramps up, and in the middle is almost like an oval. So yeah, something's gone on here. So some of the timbers and that underneath here, they're probably swelled or something, so I'm not sure. So what we're going to try and do is maybe cover that with ply or something, or because they're not rotten, so they don't need to come off. So just re-level that, that'll be fine. I was panicking a bit because when this whole section here came up, it almost looked as if some of the timbers were rotten, but no, that's not the case. I think it's just where the hairdressers was and the water had gone down on the floor, so that did almost give me a panic attack, but no, we're sorted. Yay. Rubbish in the backyard. Just waiting for the waste man to come and give us a quote on clearing that away. We're going to get a tip, but obviously I'd rather just give that to waste collector if I can. Yeah, all the stuff that's been cleared. Yeah guys, I think this is where all the progress has been made on day 8. We now have an opening. Yay! Literally all the stuff that's come out, waiting for it to be cleared. But yeah, this will be the new entrance, guys, into the kitchen. Go over, you can actually see a bit of the construction. So yeah, I think this will be really, really nice. What I'm going to do is obviously move that toilet to this side, to here, and this will be the space for where the bath will be. Bath over here, and then maybe the sink on this side is what I've planned, or the sink can go here beside the toilet. Just opens everything up. And here, that's already bricked up, so technically I could lift that up and box it up to here. Give you a shot of the original construction for this building. Right guys, so another major thing ticked off my to-do list today. It was for the meter box relocation. That's located in the first floor flat entrance. So we have completed the application and sent that off to get that relocated to outside. So yeah, just added this to the drawing. We are moving that, which used to be here, from inside this entrance to here, or just outside on that wall, so it's not too far from where it originally is, so that this meter box can be accessed separately for the ground floor flat, because currently it is here, which means whoever's in, got to wait for whoever's in occupying the first floor flat to be in so that they've got access to go to it. So we've moved that either there or somewhere along here, just underneath the windowsill, so it's not too far for the cabling and stuff, so it don't cost much more to run cables. Day 9, just cleared out the back garden. Got the waste guys, distribution solutions to come. They've cleared all the rubbish away, or most of it. Just got that patch there, through there to do. Right then guys, hopefully I can use some of these bricks, some of the ones that aren't broken. I'm just going to check with the builder, see if we can use them to, on the bit at the front where we need to brick up, where we need to replace the window set. So this is what I mean guys, hopefully this bit here that needs bricking up, because obviously the new window is going to be that whole size, similar to what we've got here already, the timber, but obviously in a different material. So hopefully this bit, maybe use some of those bricks from inside, from the fireplace in there to, yeah, just to brick this bit up. Another day on the build, as you can see. We've filled up the garden again. Right then, let's see what they've done. Oh wow. So yeah guys, doorway's been formed. As you can see, this will be the new door to the bathroom. So everything in here, totally gone. Walls gone, everything gone. Floor's been stripped. Tell you what, these guys have worked. They are working hard. The builder's very nicely laid out a load of bricks to put in this bit here, and plus some extra. So when that whole door and window set goes, we'll be bricking up underneath here as well. So that's what those are going to be for. Ready to go. Let's also see what they've done upstairs as well. Oh yeah, so they've cleared everything, as you can see, and made this a lot wider. Yeah, that's perfect. So we've got one big opening in here. Great, brilliant. So yeah, we'll be getting new doors. All this will be boarded over, and all this will be tidied up eventually. All that's going to go and get ripped out too.
Guys, as you can see, all the chimney breast is taken out. The kitchen is now ready for phase 2. So what we're debating on whether to get rid of that door, brick it up, create more space, utilise the space more, get some units across there, You can move this door across a bit more, make it opening, and then from the outside you can put your door coming in straight into your lounge, and then your 2 doors, flat A, flat B, as on the previous videos you've seen where the door is. So this door will be situated right next door to that door, and you can walk straight into your living room, and in that way you're creating more space for your kitchen.
Hey guys, so it's the next day at the build and all of these bricks have completely gone. So you can see here, this is where the opening's been made. Now all this rubble's been cleared, so that's going to go straight through into the new bathroom for the ground floor flat. Yeah, and I think this whole structure took some doing to get rid of. So we've just got this section now to be cleared, to get rid of. I think that's the next task that the builder's going to be working on. I am not sure what these pipes are. I think the builders were saying there could be oil. So as soon as I started messing about with this, the heaters came on. So I think they're all connected or something. So that what they were saying was it might be oil powered. So that's the first for me. Yeah, so myself and Jason just had a massive discussion on what we're doing with this room, with the kitchen. As I said in the last video, it's going to be really compact, so we're just discussing kitchen layouts and possible layouts for that. But I think we might be just leaving it at with just having the cooker space, cooker hood on that side, and then still keeping this door, so where this door swing ends, maybe about here onwards, we'll have the sink and washing machine space, and then a space for your fridge freezer. So I'll pop on screen now the proposed layout. Because yeah, we were thinking maybe taking this window out and then putting a new door set in for the front door entrance, so you walk straight into the lounge. But what are your thoughts, Jay? What do you think to that idea? Okay. Right guys, so we are still debating the kitchen layout. So another discussion, what myself and Jason have just had, is whether to have a door come in from your lounge, so that you've got a front door here, so that then you have 5A for upstairs entrance, which is just at this side here, and then maybe having number 5 or 5B door entrance to get into this flat. So you come in through the lounge and just come straight in. That way you can then have a bit more of a flexible layout in here, because then that door could be shut, you could block that off, and then all of a sudden you've got all of this space as well that you can utilise. So we could have more of an L-shaped kitchen in here. Even this archway, maybe if we could make it a bit bigger, or maybe move it across slightly now that we've got rid of the chimney breast. So we've got a similar layout to upstairs. That way then you could have like a little nib coming out here, and you could run your kitchen base units, wall units all the way to that nib, and almost have like a U shape or an L shaped kitchen off that, and just fit a bit more storage in. But then we just have to sort out marking out outside and where the entrances are and how you're getting in all of that lot. So we're weighing it all up. There's good and bad to each, but we'll have a decision and we'll show that in a later episode. Yeah, so if we do decide to do the other option where we block this door up, then we could also block up the window, block that up, and then just create a bit more space on the inside for the kitchen. But then we'll have to mark up the outdoor areas a bit differently. So then there's your entrance for 5A, which leads up to upstairs. So then we're thinking the other door will probably be here from outside.